All right, how about we talk about 3 underrated cryptos under 10 cents that could be good buys here right now in this bear market. These are 3 cryptos outlined by Finbold that perhaps go unnoticed, that are very cheap in price, that could have tremendous upside. We're going to talk about what those 3 cryptos are, also talk about what they do, how they add value to the space, and where the projections, a little bit of insight into where we could go in that next full-fledged bull cycle. Now, keep in mind, none of this is financial advice. This is Finbold's opinion. I'm reporting on it. I'm just giving you something to think about. Always, always, always do your own due diligence. I own about 35 different cryptos in the top 100. I like to diversify out, and I'm always looking at some new opportunities. So when I came across this, I filed this under my documents and said, hey, go take a look at these. I'm gonna potentially invest in some of these down the line. So let's start with number 1, Kaspa. Okay, so its aim is to become the fastest and purest proof of work engine. Proof of work, kind of outdated a little bit, but obviously still has a massive place because Bitcoin and Dogecoin, 2 cryptos in the top 100, top 10 actually, still use it. Now, Kaspa has been lining up success in recent weeks, including the listing of Kaspa asset and trading pair on the trading network KuCoin. Presently, Kaspa was changing hands at the price of around 2 cents, an increase of about 19% on the day, gaining 34% over the previous week, and growing by 11% on its monthly chart as per latest data retrieved by Finbold. So that is Kaspa. We can go over here. We've got Bitcoin pulled up, but we can go over here and check out Kaspa real quick. Pull it up. We can see it's ranked number 215, so it's just outside the top 100. I like that. Market cap of around 400 million. These ones just outside the top 100, always interesting to look at, right? Because they're not on everybody's radar yet, but they're not small either. They are on the rise, right? So Kaspa, certainly one to look into. If we take a look at Kaspa's all-time high, guys, it's sitting at about 4 cents. That just happened back in April, so this is a relatively new crypto, and you could see here it's about 50% down from its all-time high, but still a potential here to do some interesting things here in the most in the coming weeks, right? Now, that's Kaspa. Moving forward, XDC Network. Okay, this one has been around for a little bit. Now, this continues to be a interesting investment, in part to the organization's contributions toward turning Dubai into a rapidly expanding Web3 hub and the Silicon Valley of the Web3 era. As things stand, XDC is currently trading at about 3 cents, which represents a 2% gain in the last 24 hours, and it is up about 3% in the past month or so. If we head over to XDC, we could see that this one is a little bit bigger. Ranked number 76 in the top 100. A little bit bigger market cap. It is in the top 100, and it's been around for a little bit. XDC is a hybrid public-private blockchain platform combining transparency of public blockchains with the speed and security of private ones. With the help of blockchain tech and state-of-the-art infrastructure, this project intends to provide streamlined financial services to its users. And of course, it's really striving to turn Dubai into more of a crypto hub than it already is, right? So interesting things happening there with XDC Network. Now, number 3 is Beldex. Haven't heard about this one. BDX, the utility crypto asset of the private ecosystem for dApps that promise to provide its holders with power and control to perform public and private transactions, similar to XDC, right? Now, if we go to this one over here, BDX, we can find it over on CoinMarketCap. This one, just outside that top 100, trading at about 5 cents right now. Actually up a little bit in the last 7 days and the last month. Look at that, climbing from about 4 cents all the way to about 5.5. And so this is another one to keep your eye on. You could see here, it's a leading privacy-based ecosystem consisting of privacy-first dApps that include BChat, Belnet, Beldex Browser, Beldex Privacy Protocol, and the Beldex Bridge. Of course, with this becoming an increasingly important topic and discussion, this could certainly be one that catches some speed in the future. So these are 3 cryptos under 10 cents right now that you probably haven't heard of that maybe you want to look into. Again, it's Kaspa, XDC, and BDX. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. And if you did, let me know. by smashing the like button, subscribing down below. Thanks to Finbold for putting out this article, giving us something to think about here in the bear market. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.